Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. Okay, so we are going to gear up for spring with some more hairstyles. We start off with this beautiful arrangement of Pixie styles. So many gorgeous colors you can rock out this season. And then we move into this head-turning bob transformation. Now, she's got some beautiful curly texture here. Looks like she wants to go with more of a ginger hue. Wow, so pretty. I love her curly hair texture, and her curls just look amazing. So cute. And this is such a fun hair color for the spring season. And then we hop into another color transformation. So this one is going to be quite intricate. It looks like she went with this ash blonde two-tone color with the black. And we have someone here who's dyeing their blonde hair a variety of rainbow colors. Got pink, purple, more purple, blue. Color combo definitely screams like spring season to me. Oh, wow. Gorgeous color combination. Reminds me of that cotton color candy trend that we saw a few years ago. This is breathtaking and definitely the perfect color combination for spring. Next up, we have a platinum pixie. Platinum is a very popular hue this season. Ooh, this is such a cute style. I love the color. It looks like the stylist kind of did a bit of a shaggy pixie cut here with the bangs going there in the front, structured hair that gives like that nice sideburn appearance on the side. Very cute. I like the piecey texture here too. And for anyone that thinks that platinum is out of style, let me just tell you that this is a look that has been in season actually for quite a few years now. I feel like we gravitate towards it more during like the warmer months, but very popular hair color. I love how it looks next to red. All right, so next up, looks like we have like a rocker chic inspired cut here. Again, with the long sideburns. And this is really kind of tying into that mullet hair trend. Hair is super long in the back, super short in the front. A little bit of a shaven undercut going here with this as well. Baby bangs in the front. So cute. Love the rocker chic vibe. Six-hour transformation. So wow. A lot of the times when you do go platinum, those transformations take forever to complete. Oh, it looks like she went beige blonde. Got a little bit of a messy chic bob going there. Oh, curly bob transformation. I love the blonde mixed in with the color. So pretty, beautiful highlights throughout, adds a great dimension to the curls. Hair looks so bouncy and full. And then we have a two-tone, I like to think of this as like a peppermint hair color. Blonde and burgundy. Just reminds me of peppermints. I think for the spring and summer season, we're definitely seeing like a wide variety of colors, like just out of the box, not your average everyday hair hues. Here we have someone going red. Very popular color for the spring season. Actually, red has been trending, I want to say, for like the past couple of years as well. Like next to platinum and copper, those three colors have been trending very heavily for the past couple of years. Red, platinum, and copper. The stylist is showing us the process. We're applying the color here. Touching up those dark roots. Gotta add the bleach to that as the hair grows in. And then there are the formula numbers she used to create the color. And there we have it. And this is like a beautiful reddish brown shade. Absolutely gorgeous. Curtain bangs in the front. Very cute. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these fresh spring and summer hair ideas that you can play around with. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.